Hi friends, the story I have for you is called The Flea Sneeze. This is by Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. A flea is a very little bug that usually lives on animals and makes them scratchy. But this flea's sneeze bothers the whole farm. Let's listen to the story and see why. On a dark, dark night on an old farm in a rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. A rat, a cat, a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog, a hog, an old barn frog, everyone slept peacefully, but not the flea. I'm trying to even find the flea. I don't see it. No one heard him cough. Ahem. Ahem. He's sitting on top of the mouse. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat or the cat or the black-eyed bat, or the cow or the owl or the feathered fowl, that's another word for bird, or the dog or the hog or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. The flea is on the mouse right here. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. You see the flea? No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Then, suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! It scared the rat, who cried boo-hoo, and woke the cat, who hissed maa-roo. It baffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and confused the cow, who muttered moo, moo. It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who crowed cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed eew, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue. The flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to doze. That means fall asleep. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on the old farm in the rickety-crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. The flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat, the cat, and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept like a log, except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'm gonna sneeze. The flea gave him his germs. Yuck.